Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by lining up the trade. You need elixir and intel. Cast lightning when you have at least 7 elixir so you don't bleed elixir needlessly. Once done, identify the 3 highest HP targets in the area. That's who lightning will hit. Make sure to position your tap so those targets are inside the radius. This secures tower damage and removes support units. Don't delay. Timing the first cast with your tank or counterpush converts value into tower hits and momentum. You need precise timing here. Wait until enemy supports cluster near a building or tower. Cast lightning during a counterpush so it nails the enemy win condition and 2 highest HP supports. That's the core value play. Once you've done that, follow up with a low-cost spell if small units survive. This prevents chip back. If the opponent spreads units, bait with a cheap troop to cluster them. Then reapply lightning when the 3 priority list aligns for maximum damage. You finish by targeting the injured tower and remaining high HP defenders to secure a knockout. If the enemy splits units, don't panic. Conserve lightning until targets cluster. Wasting it on 1 low HP troop is a common loss of value. Once done, transition to defense. Use cheap counters to hold a push and rebuild elixir so you can reapply lightning cleanly. If things go wrong, reset to safe defense, gain an elixir lead, and force the opponent into a predictable placement before your next cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.